Hey guys, this is Meenal Pataria, founder of Creative Arts. So firstly, I would like to wish each and every one of you a very happy Diwali. Since this video will be coming on Diwali, so very happy Diwali to you guys. So guys, as always, today we have come up with something really different and something really unique. As Creative Arts always say, that Creative Arts is all about something different and unique. So what is the product today? Yes guys, this product is available everywhere, even online, offline as well. The vendors also have it. But what is different what Creative Arts have come up with? So guys, we have come up with a customized option for that. So you must be wondering, what is the product? Let me just tell you what is the product. So you must be watching something there is on my background, like something is there on my background, something jungle theme with a name of a baby. What it is? Yes guys, it is a wallpaper, customized wallpaper. Yes guys, wallpapers are available everywhere, anywhere you will get it. The vendors as well as online, many sites have it. But are they personalized with a personal touch which Creative Arts gives it? No. Yes guys, Creative Arts has customized wallpaper options for you, wherein you can you can select your own design. Yes guys, your own design plus anything, whatever, any text if you want to write or anything, and any shape is also possible guys. So isn't it amazing? Isn't the product really good? So let me just show you out here. Yes guys, this is the wallpaper which I have in my room, and I'm just in love with it. Not only me, my daughter is also in love with it, and every day she thanks me that thank you mama, you got a Peppa wallpaper for me. She's so happy. So guys, this is the wallpaper which I'm talking about. It has the name and it has the favorite character, plus anything is possible, any design for kids as well as adults is possible. And guys, this is dust free. I have been using this product for quite a long time in my room, and guys, I am really happy with my product. There is no dust, it's non-tearable, it doesn't come out from the corners as well. As you can see, there are many products available in the market which in some time might come out from the corners, the wallpapers in the market. But yes, the Creative Arts wallpapers are very firm and the quality is really good. Also guys, any shape is also possible. As in, only if you want the Peppa character, then only Peppa character can also be done. Isn't it amazing guys? Aren't you really in love with the product? I'm sure you must be. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description box and contact me right now. You can contact me on the WhatsApp link which I have provided in the description. And you can get the details of the product and you can get your order placed right now. So guys, we'll be coming up with more such videos and with more such unique products for you guys. So until then, be safe and happy personalizing. Bye bye. To know more about our products, kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get the notifications of the videos. Thank you.